Hi, hope you enjoyed that little video sequence that you just watched. I made it because, like the title of the video says, I've been feeling a little uninspired lately, creatively, with my art. And, earlier on in my career, I thought that was a really bad thing to feel uninspired. I thought that meant that I wasn't growing as an artist. But when I look back at all those moments, I realized that those were all necessary stretches to go through to grow as an artist, because every time I came out of those little funks, I found that my work progressed or I gained new perspective. And I have no doubt that this current little stretch that I'm in will be the same. And I just want to make that little video. I made it by myself, actually. I used my Canon R5 with the Canon app on my phone to tether to, and then I was able to track focus, press record and stop, see my framing. So that was also a lot of fun and a good exercise for me just to kind of make something. And another ulterior motive that I had in making this video was to show you kind of the progress of this current space, the studio that I have with Eric and Steven. And it's definitely coming together. We still have some work to do, but hopefully in this video, you were able to kind of get more insight into how the space is actually coming together and some of the new things and additions that we've kind of made in the past few months. So that's another ulterior motive to making this video the way that I did. But again, if you're feeling uninspired, it's okay. It's a part of it. I think it's part of the journey as an artist, as a creative. And sometimes the act of creating, like me making this video, is sometimes the first steps in finding inspiration again. That sounds so cheesy, but being creative again. And I think it's just so true though. And so if you're feeling that way, it's okay. It's part of the process. Just go make something. And appreciate you guys. And I will see you guys in the next one.